Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to extrude normals in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use a UV sphere. We can go to Add, Merge, and add the UV sphere. Close up to view it. To extrude faces and non-normals, make sure that we select the object and go to Edit Mode. And then we can switch to face selection, and then we can deselect the faces, and then select the face that we want to extrude. For example, I select this face loop and then go to Merge, and we can find Extrude and choose Extrude Faces and non-normals. Okay, to move the cursor, we can extrude faces and non-normals now. I press Ctrl Z to undo it. Actually, we can use Alt E to open the menu to extrude faces and non-normals. Alternative, if we want to extrude individual faces, we can choose Extrude Individual Faces here and move the cursor. So this is how we can extrude normals in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.